Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to comment photos on TikTok. For example, if you want to add a photo as a comment on a specific post on TikTok, but if you open TikTok here and if you open a specific post and click on comments, and here you will not find the option of comments. So how you can photo comment? So how you can add that photo comment? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And in setting, you have to go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in the App Store, you have to simply search for a TikTok, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok on your iPhone. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app, and here you have to simply open the TikTok app. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open a specific post here. So as you can see, the option is not still available. So if you want to add a photo in comments, then you have to simply click on reply, and you have to simply click on reply option. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on that camera icon, and after that you can simply see that camera will be open, and here you can simply see that photo is open. So you have to simply click on capture a photo, and after that you have to simply click on next, and after that you have to add a post in photo, and you have to simply share that post to that comment, and after that your photo will be added. But if you want to add a simple photo in comment, then what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that it is spotted in your country or region, because it is only available into limited in limited region or countries. So what you have to do, you have to simply change the country region, and first of all you have to check in which region that feature is available, because this feature is still not available in your region. And after that, you have to, changing the country region, you have to go to the App Store, and you have to change the country region. After that, you will be able to change and comment photos on TikTok posts. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.